Hello, tutorial shows you how to fix USB flash drive showing multiple partitions, format USB error. Let me quickly show an example. As you see, I have two hard drives and two partitions, partition C and partition D. If I insert USB flash drive into the computer, Windows Explorer showing USB drive twice, as E drive and F drive. But in computer management there is just E drive. I can format USB drive, E partition. But when I try to format the second unknown partition of the USB, it shows an error. The disk is write protected. So, let's fix the format USB error. Go to Windows search box and run command prompt as an administrator. Type disk part and hit enter. Type list disk and hit enter. Find your USB flash drive from the list. You can do it by the size of the disk. Or open Computer Management and compare it by disk number. So, my USB drive is disk 2, 14 GB. Select your USB flash drive by typing select disk number. Then type least partition. Find unknown USB partition by size that you want to delete, and select it by typing select partition number. And type delete partition to delete unknown USB partition. Type least partition to check what we got. Done, we get just one partition on USB flash drive. Let's check in Windows Explorer. The same result, we have only E drive. Let's try to format the USB drive. OK, works without error. Thanks for watching. If that sounds like something that could help you, then make sure to join me, subscribe to my channel with notification, and be the first who get more great tips and tricks.